6 o'clock. It is time to work.
If you're ever going to get anyone to work, you have to teach them how. And what better way to learn but from Houston Community College? HCC holds their yearly Gulf Coast Manufacturing Conference to bring you the latest technology and information.
This is our third annual Gulf Coast Advanced Manufacturing Conference. And the purpose of the conference is to bring together all parts of the manufacturing spectrum. Houston is the third largest manufacturing hub in the nation, but manufacturing itself is a broad area. It covers everything from food to aerospace to cybersecurity in manufacturing. So there are a lot of aspects. These different parts of manufacturing don't often get a chance to come together in one forum. And our goal as the Advanced Manufacturing Center of Excellence is to provide that forum for our manufacturing partners to come together and discuss current issues, the trends, the challenges, what they foresee for the future, and what they need.
So we're showing what is pretty much a standard booth for us. We're showing off 3D printing and a little bit of milling. We're talking about a machine program and our 3D printing capabilities and our Fab Lab capabilities. Trying to let them know, the manufacturers know that they can come to us and try out their ideas. You know, we're not just there for the students, we're there for the manufacturers and the students and the engineers.
Our students get so many benefits from an event like this. First of all, it's an opportunity for them to hear from industry leaders in the companies that they are eventually going to be working for. Secondly, it's a chance for them to learn how to network. This is a professional conference. Many of our students don't get an opportunity to attend events like this. So we encourage students to attend so that they know how to speak to thought leaders. They understand what the issues are. It also gives them, learning doesn't really happen just in the classroom, especially in manufacturing, because it's such a big industry. There are many, many pieces to learning for our students. Events like this conference are a chance for the students to come and learn about the different aspects of manufacturing, to talk to people. We have all these exhibitors here that are really showcasing state-of-the-art technology, and it's a chance for students to absorb all of this great information.
Well, 3D has expanded so much in the last 10 years, and particularly in the last 5 years. Every company that's in manufacturing that I know of is looking at 3D to improve their process. So what 3D does is it brings technology faster to market. Where it was taking years or months to get a product to market, now I can 3D print a prototype, get it tested, make sure that the product's going to work in a much faster time space. So it really speeds up the cycle.
So the hope is twofold. Firstly, that our manufacturing partners have a chance to just talk to each other, discuss in open dialogue the key issues that they're facing now. The second hope is also that they will take away the broad range of training possibilities that Houston Community College can offer them. A lot of times our manufacturing companies tell us, oh, we didn't know you could do that for us. So this is our opportunity to not only hear from them about what they need, but also to let our partners know what we can do for them.
For more info, visit hccs.edu/centers/advanced-manufacturing. For Stafford METV, this is Rey Molano.